All right, so here we are with Kadena right now, and the last time I talked about Kadena is that you have finally made the break for Kadena, and it's looking amazing and beautiful. Okay, you moved sideways like this, came sideways, break to the upside, and now you're coming down, and you're pretty much bouncing off the retest. But this daily candle has 15 minutes to close the candlestick. This green candle that you see, it's not confirmed just yet, and there's a little bit of shadiness, and I'm going to talk about the shadiness of the retest here, because this line hasn't been properly touched, which is 1.78. It should have held this line, but what you did is you came near the line and you're just bouncing off that level, which is actually not very, very trusted at the moment, because my take is it was supposed to come down actually to this level here, which is going to be 1.7695. That's the proper area for the retest. But there could be one more case that you can make. Now, that's the first key level. These are known as key levels. And I can be totally wrong. And this can actually be another key level that you're holding right now. So that's also valid, because that's still a trend line nonetheless. But this first trend line has less touch than this second trend line. This is looking way more better than the first one at the moment. But let's see, this can actually be the end of it, and you can actually just bounce off and go to 2.3. And I'm actually looking forward for the $2.3 region at the moment. And that's it for this Kadena quick update. Let's move on to the next and the last coin, which is going to be Jasmine.